Welcome to online classes. DU Nalgonda. Today discussing chapter carbon and its compounds, part 4. Isomers. Isomerism. Isomers. Same molecular formulae, different properties or different structures, different chemical properties. These are called isomers. Same molecular formulae, same molecular formulae, different properties, properties are like structures. These are called isomers. The best example, butane. Butane formula is a C4H10. This is the molecular formula of the butane. CS3, CH2, CH2, CS3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. 4 carbons containing alkane is the butane. Here the N-butane also, butane. Here this is the butane. Butane molecular formula is the C4H10. Here also CS3, CH, CS3, CS3. Same molecular formula. Here also C4H10, same molecular formula. In this also C4, 4 carbons, 10 hydrogens. 4 carbons, 10 hydrogens. Numbering 1, 2, 3. This is the 2-methyl propane. Second carbon, this is the methyl substituent, 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. These are butane, 2-methyl propane. These are the same molecular formula, but different structural arrangement, different chain, different structural arrangement, Therefore, these are called structural isomers. Structural isomers. Structural isomers of butane. Structural isomers of butane. Same molecular formula, but different structural arrangement. These are called isomers. Same molecular formula, but different skeleton or different parent chain, different structural arrangement. These structural arrangement, different structural arrangement are called structural isomers of butane. Next, N-pentane, structural isomers, pentane. C5H12, molecular formula of the pentane, C5H12. CS3, CH2, 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 CS3. How many number of carbons are there? In 5 carbons. This is the N-pentane. N-pentane. CS3, CH, CS3, CH2, CS3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The substituent containing least number. The priority goes to the least number of the priority, least number to the substituent. This is the 2-methyl, second carbon containing methyl substituent. Therefore, the prefix is 2-methyl The main skeleton is a 4 carbon containing alkane 2 methyl butane. 2 methyl butane. Here also one of the same molecular formula. Here also C5H12. 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 Another isomer of the pentane. CH3, CH2, CH, CS3, C comma CS3, here 1, 2, 3, second carbon containing 2 methyl groups. Therefore, this is the 2 comma 2 dimethyl, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. Therefore, here also 5 carbons containing alkane, saturated alkane, saturated hydrocarbon C5H12, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. This is one of the structural isomer of the pentane. Another one, this is 1, 2, 3 structural isomers. These are the structural isomers of the pentane. N-pentane, 2 methyl butane, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. These are the structural isomers of the pentane, structural isomers of the pentane. Same molecular formulae, these are the same molecular formulae, but different skeleton or a different structural arrangement. Therefore, these are the chain isomers of the pentane. Chain isomers of the pentane. Hexane. C6H14, N-hexane. CS3, CH2, 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 CS3. 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons containing alkane. This is the N-hexane. Two methyl pentane, 2 methyl, second carbon containing methyl group. Therefore, the 2 methyl pentane. 2 methyl pentane is one of the isomer of the hexane, N-hexane. Second, third, fourth. 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane, 2 comma 2 dimethyl butane, 2 comma 2 dimethyl butane is one of the isomer. One, two, three, 4. Here also 2 comma 2 dimethyl, this is the main skeleton, 2 comma 2 dimethyl butane. These are the structural isomers of the structural isomers of butane. Structural isomers of butane. N-hexane, 2-methyl pentane, 2,2-dimethyl butane. These are the 3 structural isomers of the N-hexane. 3 structural isomers of the N-hexane. N-hexane, 2-methyl pentane, 2,2-dimethyl butane. These are the 3 structural isomers of the N-hexane. N-hexane containing 3 structural isomers. Next topic, nomenclature. Nomenclature of organic compounds. Here in this nomenclature containing prefix structure of nomenclature, prefix plus root word, prefix plus root word plus suffix, prefix plus root word plus suffix. Prefix containing primary prefix, secondary prefix, numerical prefix, number prefix. Root word means straight chain, parent chain, longest chain, parent chain or longest chain. Longest chain containing carbons, Suffix means containing primary suffix, secondary suffix. Primary suffix, secondary suffix. These are the first one goes to the prefix, the primary prefix. Primary prefix, these are the best examples of the cyclic compounds. All the cyclic compounds containing a prefix is, the primary prefix is cyclo. There is no cyclic compounds, the absent of the primary prefix. Prefix, root word, suffix, prefix further classified primary prefix, secondary prefix, numerical prefix, number prefix. All the primary prefix compounds are cyclic compounds. Cyclic. Secondary prefix. Secondary prefix are substituents. Substituents like methyl, ethyl, ethyl. Numerical prefix are di, tri, either substituent or functional groups. Di, tri. Number prefix, these are the number prefix. Number prefix must be atoms, compounds, substances, multiple bonds or functional groups are attached. Functional group attached. Attached to the number, substituent or functional group or double bond, triple bond attached to the number prefix. Root word C1 meet, C2 eth, 2 carbons containing, 3 carbons containing prop, 4 carbons containing but, 5 carbons containing pent, 6 carbons containing eggs, 7 carbons containing ept, 8 carbons containing oct, 9 carbons containing non, 10 carbons containing dec. These are the root words, root word of the parent chain. Primary suffix. Primary suffix are primary suffix en, in, ein. Secondary suffix functional groups. All the functional groups are secondary functional groups. Secondary functional groups. Secondary suffix are functional groups. Alcohol. Alcohol secondary prefix is ol. Aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group is al. Ketone. Ketone suffix is on. On. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. Amine. These are the alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acids. These are the secondary suffixes. First of all, prefix, root word. Second one, third one, suffix. Prefix classified the primary prefix, secondary prefix, numerical prefix, number prefix. The best examples of the prefix. These are the structure of IUPAC nomenclature: prefix, root word, suffix. Further classification of prefix is the primary prefix, cyclic compounds. These are the applied to the cyclic compounds. Cyclo. Secondary prefix, the substance ethyl, methyl, alkoxy, methoxy. Numerical prefix, di, tri substance, same substance. Numerical prefix, functional group attached to the substance, attached to the number. The best example, cyclobutane. How many number of carbons are there? 4 carbons. 4 carbons containing cyclic compound, cyclo, cyclobutane, cyclobutane. N is the primary suffix. Cyclic prefix, primary prefix. But is the root word. 4 carbons containing C4. 4 carbons containing skeleton. N is the primary suffix. This is the structure of IUPAC name. Prefix, root word, suffix. This is the cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. This is the cyclic compound. Therefore, the cyclo is the primary suffix, primary prefix. But is the root word. N is the primary suffix. This is the prefix plus root word, suffix. The butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here how many number of carbons are there? 4 carbons. There is no cyclic. There is no cyclic, there is no primary prefix. The absent of the primary prefix. Therefore, is the N-butane. This name is N-butane. There is no cyclo. This is the prefix is absent. Prefix plus root word. Prefix is absent. Root word is present. But plus N. N is a primary suffix. Between carbon to carbon single bond takes place. Therefore, that is the primary suffix is N. But is the root word. But is the root word. an is the primary suffix. There is absent of the prefix, primary prefix is absent. Why? Because here there is no cyclic compound. There is no cyclic compound, there is no primary prefix. The best example differences between primary prefix. All the cyclic compounds are containing primary prefix. The best example is the cyclobutane. Cyclobutane compound containing a primary prefix. In this cyclo is a substituent, there is the primary prefix. In common N-butane there is no primary prefix, there is no prefix. Here only contain root word and primary suffix. The numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 2 chlorine groups are there in second carbon. 2, 2 dichloro. 2, 2 dichlorobutane. But plus N. This is a 2, 2 dichloro. 2, 2 dichloro is the prefix. 2, 2 dichloro is a prefix. Here but is the root word. C4, 4 carbons containing skeleton. N is the primary suffix. N is the primary suffix. The structure of ipracname: prefix, root word, suffix. This is the 2, 2 dichloro is the substituent. Here in the second carbon containing 2 chlorine atoms. Therefore, that is the number is a numerical 2, 2 dichlorobutane. 2, 2 dichlorobutane. Numbering priority goes to the triple bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a but 1 ine. There is no prefix. There is no prefix. But 1 ine. Ine is a primary suffix. Primary suffix. But is the root word. Root word C4. There is no prefix. There is no prefix in this but 1 ine. Pent 3 in 1 ine. Pent 3 in 1 ine. Pent 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 in. 3 carbon containing ene. 1 ine. Triple bond 1 ine. 3 in. 3 third carbon containing ene. 1 carbon containing ine. Here 3 bonds, 1 hydrogen. 3 plus 1 4. Here 1 hydrogen is there. Here 1 hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen. This is the pent 3 in 1 ine. Pent 3 in 1 ine. Here the pent is the root word. 5 carbons. Pent is the root word. 3 in 1 ine. Means here double bond, triple bond. Triple bond goes to first priority. Triple bond goes to the first priority, and after double bond is the second priority. Therefore, pent 3 in 1 ine. 1 is the first priority, goes to the triple bond. First priority goes to the triple bond. Second priority goes to the double bond. Third priority goes to the single bond. These are the suffixes. Root word. These are the suffixes. Primary suffix. the best examples. Butane 1,2 diol. Butane 1,2 diol. But means 4 carbons. 1,2 diol, 1, 2, 3, 4. First one containing ol diol, one ol. Second carbon containing ol. Here CH2, CH. Here H2, CS. Therefore, this is the functional group. Functional group must be priority goes to the first priority, the first place, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. The first carbon containing one alcoholic group, second carbon containing one alcoholic group. Therefore, this is the butane, 4 carbons is there, butane 1,2 diol, first position and second position, 1,2 diol. This is the butane 1,2 diol.